We, everyone is afraid of Hamsana. That
May I find,
our
ma'am?
you, who are you?
I'm the in charge officer in this village.
Yeah, come on in.
Actually, I'm investigating a case.
Yeah, I called you.
Yes. But
Do
before
we find the figure?
still the operation is on. Just because before you file a case, before that also another one girl has kidnapped that are missing.
I
So
know the
still,
girls are being.
since that day, we are kept on search. But you are the second person who lodge a complaint.
So, I think. So you care about that? You are the leader of this village. Girls are just getting vanished. Did you do anything? No. You are just sitting idle.
Are you done with your dengue?
Thank you. Sure.
So, what is the progress? So,
As
Where's
a,
my daughter? Do you have any information about her?
still the progress is under progress. Just because we are searching each and every document, even since last 2 weeks, the members of this village, those who are, and if there is anybody from outside of the village, those who have come. So we have already taken each and every information, but still there are something which one I would like to know from you. I think that there is something which all of
we
you
would
are,
like to help you.
Yes.
But I don't think you can do anything right now.
I can do anything right now. What do you mean by that?
As you know that very well that every girls are getting attracted by someone and they used to come after 3 days. I think Jessica will come also.
3 days. But I think that behind this case there is a gang is working. Apart from this, I don't
I'm
think that there is
saying that-
anything.
The thing you are handling, something with that.
What is that? Can you let me know that? Let the cat out of the bag. What do you want that to mean? Please,
Unfortunately, I
please.
can't let the cat out of the bag.
It will be quite easy for me, ma'am, so I don't understand what I want to mean. You try to hide something, so it will be
I'm
quite
not
difficult
trying
for me
to
to.
hide anything.
What do you want it to mean? Still, the picture is unclear to me. I want a lucid picture
You know
for
what
this
you
case.
get informed after the girl, no, girls, all the girls got abducted. After you, after that you got information, right?
No. As I've already said that ma'am, that already before she has lodged a complaint before that a girl has
So,
kidnapped.
as you can hear that, he knew. So it's his responsibility or his team's responsibility to protect that
Yeah.
those girls.
And you tried to play the Mr. Fix It All to the villagers' chicken feed problems, and the elephant is starting to
We
see.
have some law.
Yeah.
You know that we have some rules and it's
What is that rule? What is that
Made by
law?
you? I don't trust that.
Please, stop playing blame games. Isn't it, please, come clean the picture so I can help out these
sorry, I
villagers.
can't help you with nothing.
Because you are trying to see if I'm not wrong, whatever you're trying to say, some supernatural power is working behind it.
That's why I understand
Yes, and
that I
truly,
can't help you.
and truly you wanna believe me that in this modernization world,
Then go
living-
find her.
Yes,
Where is
definitely.
she?
Definitely,
I
I will be
can't
looking for
find
where the
anyone.
victim is. Today may not be, but tomorrow.
Telling you guys.
And I can promise you, I take my dick that immediately,
See, the thing is,
immediately, the
everything
very
goes